another thing. That's why I mentioned Copenhagen orthodoxy. People like you break out of this old dogma, calculate, don't think. The prohibition of basic philosophical or ontological questions. You know that everybody knows that famous Niels Bohr's statement, there is only one ordinary reality, and all that quantum mechanics is doing are just calculations, the way you talk about reality. You are returning to philosophy without losing science. That's my point.
I'm trying to. It's not entirely easy, but I'm trying to. Can I make a few other distinctions? Let me make a few distinctions.
Yeah.
There is a field of professional philosophers who work on quantum mechanics. They're very good technically, and some of them are very good imaginatively. But they take narrower routes than I take. And the reason is that they believe that the purpose of philosophy in quantum physics is to clarify things. So they're not professionally trained philosophers, most of them. But most of them are working in groups of history or philosophy of quantum physics. And they take quantum mechanics as it was written down by Bohr and others, as given, as revised in the 50s and 60s by the contemporary philosophers of physics then. And I take, and a few other of my colleagues take the view that that's unnecessary and a waste of our time, because quantum mechanics is wrong. We say it again, quantum mechanics is wrong. It gives the wrong description of nature. And our job as physicists, because I am a physicist, is to find the right way of writing about and talking about quantum mechanics. And if I sometimes find inspiration and help, as I do, from philosophers, it's because philosophers, some of them, carry the history of the debates which are important for me and the people that I work with.